Hi, I'm Darren. This is Orn and Ananda down here. Today we're going to show you 5 great street food vendors that you should try if you come to Krabi. We're in a little street food spot here. It's a great little spot where you can have a picnic in the park. Let's go find something to eat. So along here, there are a heap of street food vendors with all sorts of stuff. Fruit shop there. And I think that's the one that we're after here. Guy told come in. Chicken fried in turmeric. Sausages there. Soft drinks. More fruit, and down in there in the park there's a whole heap of picnic tables you can sit at to eat, and somtam as well, papaya salad. So we'll head back to the other shop there. Fried sausage. Okay. So this shop, everything's there on ice. Someone's picked what she wants. Lady will take it and fry it. So this is our shop. Fried chicken with turmeric. Tukyan mi kamin. You pick your piece. One thinks she's choosing a car here. Okay. Get a half a chicken, why not? She cuts it there. Kid chucking a mantle back there. Got our stuff frying. Okay, video cup.
Oh, video.
Video. Once it's all cooked, onto the drainer there. Okay, hapun cup. Thank you. Okay, cup. Hapun my cup. Right, delivered. Byกินข้าวนู่น Okay, ขอบคุณครับ Delivered to the table. Okay, ขอบคุณครับใส่เลยครับไม่ใส่อันนี้ใส่ Spicy looking sauce there. เผ็ดมากไหม ไม่มากนิดหน่อยโอเคไม่เอาถุงหิวครับโอเค60 โอเคขอบคุณมากครับบ๊ายบายครับขอบคุณครับ The chicken here always good โอ้ขอบคุณมากครับ Let's go eat. This lady got catfish she's grilling there. All sorts of somtams there. Grilled chicken, looks good. Grilled catfish. Making cow. Okay, what have you got? You got a Lego, have you? Yeah. Wow. You get somtam too. picnic in the park. It all looks good. We've got quite a bit of food here.
Yes.
Very cheap. It's a nice place here. Popular with the locals. If you come here on the weekends, it's very packed. It's actually a weekday here and after school time. We just got Ananda from school. So this will serve as our late lunch and his afternoon snack. We've got orange sausages, fish cakes as well. Try one of those. Good. Got her to add sauce to them, and Orn's little chicken bowls, were they?
Chicken.
Chicken bowls. Okay, sticky rice. Goes well with any picnic in Thailand. How's that?
Sauce tastes good.
Yeah. Yes. You can see it. New Lego. Yeah, it's Rocky. Ah, a Paw Patrol Lego. Somchai papaya salad, which looks good. Lots of long beans in there, some tomato, chili, Thai eggplant as well, papaya, and also salted crabs. Looks rather spicy. Very authentic somchai. It does. Tastes good too. Orn's busy building Lego.
Spicy. And เผ็ดปลาร้ามาก
Then the one that we're actually here for, the fried chicken with turmeric. Looks very tasty. As always, delicious. It's very moist and juicy, nice crispy skin and amazing flavour. It's a little bit garlicky but more subtle. Perfect. People often comment on my channel on the freshness of street food like that. A lot of the vendors here cook it as it's ordered, or they reheat the stuff when you order it. The chicken lady up there is almost sold out of her chicken, so she's cooking a fresh batch up there now. Street food generally doesn't hang around very long. If you come to places like this where the vendors are busy, I've been eating street food like this since I moved here in April 2012. Often I eat it daily, sometimes 3 times a day. Never had a problem yet with it. This area is a big parkland area. There's a big playground right behind us as well. It's a great spot if you're a family visiting Krabi to come and check out. There's also another park over there which teaches kids the Thai alphabet, all the alphabet letters with statues that represent each character. And there's a good choice of foods here as well. There's about 8 vendors here today. It varies depending on the day. They've always got the tables here where you can sit down, little mats. Makes for a nice, comfortable, easy picnic, and it's cheap as well. So that's vendor number 1 if you come to Krabi that we reckon you should visit. The fried chicken in turmeric, always delicious here. Do enjoy this one. Our second stop for today is this guy, Mr. Somchai. Makes some of the best chicken in Krabi. Orn can't wait, as you can see. Let's see what he's got. He has a great selection of grilled chicken here. Orn and I both love the grilled chicken liver. As you can see, Orn thinks she's buying a car again. Very careful selection process. Everything in there is 10 baht. Oops, you're going to try this one and maybe put back, yeah? If you don't like.
A little bit sweet.
A little bit sweet, yeah?
Like honey or something.
So he's been coming here for 10 years. He's also got chicken intestine back there. And there's chicken ribs back there on sticks, which Orn likes. Constantly cooking. We've got his secret marinade there and a whole heap of chicken bits. Always tasty, this stuff. All right, let's see what I'm gonna get. I think I'll get a piece of chicken liver, maybe 2. And I like the bits of meat as well. It's got lots of pepper on there. Grilled to perfection, this stuff. So It's a very busy shop.
40 บาท
40 Hapunka 40 baht for that.
ขอบคุณมาก
Hapumakap.
อาจจะได้ดังแล้ว
Delicious chicken. All right, let's try it out. I got my chicken meat. That is so good. Very, very moist, tender, a little bit peppery, a little bit sweet. Definitely one of the best grilled chicken vendors in Krabi. I've been coming here for quite a few years. Whenever we go past, we always stop. If you're going past, you'll smell his shop. There's always smoke billowing off it and smell of amazing grilled chicken. It is so good. Don't miss this place. Then I got my grilled chicken liver here. If you like chicken liver, this guy does one of the best varieties of it in Krabi. It's again, very moist, little sweet. He's got a great marinade that he marinates his stuff in. Yum. Sawadee krap. By night? By exercise, by running. ผมมากินข้าว So that's vendor number 2. Don't miss Somchai's chicken. It is to die for. Let's go get something else. All right, this is our 3rd vendor. This shop just back there. They've got an amazing variety of pork, which is famous throughout Thailand, called Muyang Trang from the province Trang. Let's go get some. So, every day these people drive from Trang, the next province down, and bring 2 pigs. Sawadee krap. That's a little roadside stall. And they sell it by the kilogram or by the weight. And they cut it fresh to what you order. 100 baht.
ถ่ายแม่ค้าไปด้วยใช่ไหมเนี่ยถ่ายตอนขับ
Look at that. This stuff is amazing. Best pork in the world. And their variety of it is about the best that I've ever had. I've eaten it at a few places in Trang and also here in Krabi. Listen to that crunch. It's got the skin and meat as well. Raise it up. So what we got? We've got about 200 grams there. Mao tung cup.
โอเค
Hapun cup. Thank you. This stuff, like I said, best stuff ever. Got a bit of the crackling there. So crispy,
yes
incredibly crispy in fact,
soft
very tasty, yeah. You get a bit of that meat. That looks good. Yum.
crispy อ่ะ and little bit sweet and maybe honey or something
And good?
yes crispy อ่ะ very crispy
Yeah, very crispy. First time I ever tried this was in Trang, and I said in that video, it's worth the trip to Trang just for this stuff. You don't have to go that far nowadays because this shop's here. There's another shop in the morning market in Krabi Town that sells it as well. Don't reckon as good as these guys. There are good versions of this and there are amazing versions of this. This one is amazing.
yes Thai
Definitely about the best I've ever had. Come to Krabi, don't miss this shop.
yes
Well worth a visit. See what else we can find. And next place to eat is this spot. It's called Pad Thai Hoi Tot. They sell Pad Thai and fried mussel omelette. I've eaten here a few times. I love the mussel omelette. Seems to be quite popular here. There's always people coming and going. Lots of takeaways. Try the Pad Thai first. It's got lots of prawns in there, some egg. The guy's busy back there making them. He just churns them out.
Prawn is baby prawn.
A very small prawn. You can eat the whole thing, shell and all. It's good. Yeah. Had it here recently and I didn't think it was that great, but tonight, very good. It's got all the right Pad Thai flavors in there, all the right textures, crunchy vegetables, firm but soft noodles, crunchy little prawns in there, a little bit sour, a bit sweet. Delicious. A bit of a peanut flavour in there too. But I think what this place is famous for is this one, the Hoi Tot.
Look crispy.
Does look crispy. Let's give that a go. Got a mussel there. Yum. Very crispy. There's a huge amount of mussels in there. And there's also lots of bean shoots underneath. Get lots of bean shoots in this meal. Pad Thai is only 40 baht and the mussel omelette 50 baht. It's amazing value here considering the size of the meals. They are huge. So, good value, good taste, yeah?
Yeah.
Can't really beat it. Definitely another vendor you should check out if you come to Krabi. Our final stop on this street food tour is this shop. It's called Roti Na Vogue. It's outside the Vogue department store and it's quite a famous roti shop in Krabi. Been here a few times before. The rotis are amazing. It's always busy here. Not many empty tables tonight. People come and go. Like the last place, they got very fast service, so you can come here for a quick snack. I got a roti with banana, my favorite, and Orn got a soft roti with Ovaltine. Looks very chocolatey. Let's try out yours. It's very soft. Exactly how I thought it would taste. Like a dessert, yeah. Powdered chocolate, it's okay, I guess. Maybe even a little better than I thought it would taste when she told me what she was going to order. But roti with banana, always my favorite. Quite a bit of banana that went into this one, a whole banana. Pretty good value here. My roti, 30 baht for that. Pretty chunky, pretty weighty, and very tasty. Yours was 40 baht, 30 baht for your roti, plus 10 baht for your Ovaltine. Mine's got a nice crunchy shell. The rotis here are quite famous, as I said, for their crunchiness especially, and for the soft one and the shredded one as well that they do here. Delicious. Come to Thailand, make sure you do the rotis. Definitely a must, and Krabi's particularly famous for them. Perfect dessert.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is 5 street food vendors that you should try if you come to Krabi. This is not all the street food vendors that are really good here, but it's a good selection, good start. Lots more of the markets and a few more around on the streets. Have them coming up soon. Check out our channel for lots more videos. We upload new Thailand food and travel videos almost every week. See you next time. Bye.